Is your Nissan Titan screen flickering or staying black when you plug in Apple CarPlay? Data shows that 80% of these connectivity issues are simple software glitches that don't require any hardware tools. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get your display back online. Start by performing a hard reboot of the infotainment system, then inspect your cable and repair your iPhone. If soft resets fail, check for a loose USB port or ensure your phone is running the latest iOS version. Check your iPhone settings to ensure CarPlay is permitted while the device is locked and that no restrictions are blocking it. Try these quick fixes first, but if the screen remains black, a dealer firmware reflash might be necessary. Most fixes cost next to nothing, while hardware replacement can quickly climb into the hundreds of dollars. If you are comfortable with electronics, verify the relevant fuses and run a diagnostic scan for communication errors. Keep a basic trim toolkit and an OBD-I scanner on hand to safely investigate the unit's power supply. Always disconnect your negative battery terminal before removing any dash panels to prevent an electrical short. Follow these steps to restore your connection and subscribe for more Nissan troubleshooting guides.